Okay, so today I'm going to talk about changing the background for your Padlet. So they do give you some really cool standard ones that you can use, and some of them will go along with what you want to talk about. But for this one, I am going to use it for the Lord of the Flies lit terms. So I figured make it a little bit more fun. I'll have an island in the background for the students. So they always give you, when you first build your Padlet, they give you a title. So we'll change this to the Lord of the Flies lit terms. Description, you can put in whatever you want. We'll just say lit terms for LOTF, so short for Lord of the Flies. So obviously this type of background, the one that they give you there, would not really necessarily make sense. So I'm going to put in my own picture. So if you go to more, you can see at the top here it has add your own. So we're going to click on that. Okay, so you're going to want to, what I did is I went to Creative Commons and I found a picture of an island and I saved it to my desktop. So in order to do that, you would just right click on the picture, save as, and then it'll have you name it and where you want to save it. So you have options in order to change your background. So the first thing, if you want to do it from the web, you can paste a link right in here. I don't generally use that way, but it's an option. You can also drag and drop, which is what I'm going to show you how to do. Or you can also choose the image. So if you would click on this, it would bring you to your files and you'd be able to click on the one you would want. So if we go out here, here's my picture of my island. Click, hold it, drag it in. Usually takes a little bit. Okay, then it comes right up and it asks you if it looks okay. You click OK, and there is my Lord of the Flies background. Okay, so I will click on save. And then we can close this, and you can see there we have our title, our description, and then we have our background, and then I can either start my posting or I can have the students post on it, but it makes it a little bit more fun and it kind of gets the students ready for the mood of the novel.